Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a leap year program in C. A leap year is a calendar year containing an additional day, February 29th, to keep the calendar year synchronized with the astronomical year. Our planet takes approximately 365 and 1/4 days to orbit the Sun, so adding an extra day every 4 years helps correct this difference. To determine a leap year, we follow specific rules. First, a year must be divisible by 4. For example, 2004 was a leap year. However, there's an exception for century years. Years like 1900 divisible by 100 are not leap years. But if a century year is also divisible by 400, like 2000, it is a leap year. Now let's set up our C program. Start by including the stdio. H header for input and output functions. Next, declare an integer variable, perhaps named year, to hold the value the user enters. Then, use printf to display a message asking the user to input a year. Finally, use scanf to read that integer value into your year variable. For the core logic, we'll use conditional statements. An if statement checks if the year is divisible by 400. An else if then checks if it's divisible by 4 but not by 100. If neither of these conditions is met, the else block will execute, indicating it's not a leap year. Use the modulo operator, %, to check for divisibility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.